A shocking revelation has emerged from the world of online content creation, leaving tech enthusiasts and creators alike in a state of confusion and concern. YouTube's recent actions have sparked a heated debate, with many questioning the role of AI in the platform's content moderation. Tech content creators, known for their insightful tutorials, have found themselves in a bind. Popular videos explaining workarounds for installing Windows 11 on unsupported hardware have been mysteriously flagged as dangerous or harmful. The situation escalated when these creators discovered that their appeals for human review were being swiftly denied, leading to suspicions of an AI-driven moderation system. But here's where it gets controversial. YouTube denies that AI is to blame for these removals. In a statement, a YouTube spokesperson confirmed that flagged videos have been reinstated and promised steps to prevent future removals. However, the reason behind the initial takedowns remains unclear, with YouTube insisting that both the initial decisions and appeal outcomes were not due to automation. Rich White, a computer technician and YouTuber behind the channel CyberCPU Tech, had 2 videos removed, demonstrating workarounds for Windows 11 installation. These videos, he explained, are highly sought after, with people looking to bypass Microsoft account requirements. For creators like White, these tutorials are a staple, consistently attracting high views. The confusion deepened when White noticed that only recently posted content seemed to be affected. He expressed concern that if older content were targeted, entire channels documenting years of tech tutorials could disappear overnight. Another YouTuber, Brightech09, shared similar fears, warning of the potential loss of years of work. White, in a video titled "YouTube Tech Channels in Danger," highlighted the high stakes for creators. He had already started censoring content, fearing the potential loss of his account, which began as a side hustle in 2020 but has since become his primary income source. Changing his content to avoid penalties could impact his channel's reach and monetization. YouTube's policies are notoriously strict, with accounts facing swift removal after 3 strikes for community guideline violations within 90 days. Interestingly, White had not received any strikes, while Brightech reported receiving 1 strike after a video removal. Creators are left speculating about the reasons behind these removals. White suggested that AI might be flagging the content as piracy, but he argued that his guides require a valid Windows 11 license. He also doubted Microsoft's involvement, describing a complex relationship between tech content creators and the company. Microsoft declined to comment on the matter. White proposed a theory that YouTube might be relying more on AI for moderation, but with an awareness of the risks, they are not allowing AI to issue strikes. However, this remains just a theory, as YouTube's creator support chatbot, which is also suspected of being AI-driven, provides little clarity. The lack of transparency from YouTube has left creators of tutorials, tech tips, and computer repair videos feeling uncertain. Their primary fear is that unexpected changes to automated content moderation could result in their channels being taken down for posting seemingly ordinary tech-related content. "We are not even sure what we can make videos on," White said. "Everything's a theory right now because we don't have anything solid from YouTube." Ironically, YouTube's own recommendations seem to encourage the very content it is removing. White's channel gained popularity after YouTube highlighted one of his early trending videos, showcasing a Windows 11 installation workaround. Yet, his subsequent videos in this category have been flagged and removed, despite human review previously reinstating them. Brightech's video was also flagged, and he expressed concern about potentially losing years of hard work. He described the confusion and frustration among panicked tech content creators, especially with YouTube's creator tool seemingly contradicting the mod's content warnings. "This tool was to give you ideas for your next video," Brightech said. "And it's telling you to create content on these topics. But if you did, your channel would get a strike." Creators like White and Brightech have hit a wall, with appeals being denied within minutes, leading them to believe it's an automated process. White shared his frustration with trying to reason with an AI about community guideline violations, ultimately giving up on the appeal process. The panic spread throughout the week, reaching fans who follow tech content creators. On Reddit, people recommended saving tutorials, fearing YouTube might take them down. "I've had people say, this can't be true. I rely on this every time," White said. The situation raises important questions about the role of AI in content moderation and the impact it can have on creators' livelihoods. As the debate continues, one thing is clear: the relationship between content creators and platforms like YouTube is complex and often fraught with uncertainty. What are your thoughts on this matter? Do you think AI is playing a larger role than YouTube admits? Share your opinions and experiences in the comments below.